It is time for the main event.
Hello, everybody. Today we're going to work on making a landing page for a listing. So what we are going to do is once we are logged into Command, we're going to go down to Consumer. And after that, it's going to drop us right into the landing page section, which will be perfect for us to start this journey. Then we're going to head on over to create a new site. I'm going to do it as a standalone page instead of on my agent page. And when I hit create, all my widgets are going to pop up. And for me, I always like to do a three-pronged strategy for content for a landing page. Number one is some sort of a branded header. Number two is a piece of content. Number three is a lead form. So I'm going to pick the branded header. I'm going to pick my lead form and throw that at the bottom. And then I'm going to pick the listing widget and follow that green line. And that's right where it's going to drop. So when I get this done, it is actually not able to be published because it is not customized. So when I hit configure widgets, it's going to take me to all three of these that I want to work on. I'm going to pick my content first so I can actually pick a listing. And I can look in a couple of different ways. So I can look by MLS number, I can look by KWLS ID, or I can search by the property address. So I'm going to pull up a listing that I know is in here. And there actually are a lot of them. So I will narrow that down a little bit more. And then I'll be able to see one of my listings. Click select on that. And now it is going to sync the landing page to all the data from the listing. So I'm going to pick one of the pictures that I want to use for this to make my main picture. When I do that, I hit save and apply. The cool thing here is that it is going to apply all the information out of the MLS, all the pictures and everything right into this landing page. As you'll see, it shows all the square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, when it was built, everything about the property. A little slideshow of all the pictures. You can scroll down, see some more details, and even see a Google map about it. So if I want to get more detailed with that, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to move on over to my header so that I can put the address in the header. So I'm going to throw that in the header text and then make sure all my information is right. This should pull from your branding profile, your marketing profile. And then when you hit save and apply, I can slide on down to number 3, which is my lead form. And I can type in whatever I want. Hit save and apply, and then I'm good to go. If I want to name it, I can. This is going to be St. David's landing page. I can check out how it looks on a desktop, on a tablet, or on a phone. And then when I hit publish, this thing is going to go live as soon as I say yes. And now I have a listing landing page made. The link is live. I can go to it. I can check it out. And here it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to be doing a handful more videos. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys soon.